Protect your carpet while painting walls. When painting or repainting your interior walls, it's possible to overlook the paint drops that fall onto your carpet and stain it. This causes problems later on because these paint droplets could ruin the decor of your home, making you replace them, setting you back quite a bit just to recarpet your floor. You can always hire professionals to clean up these messes, but that will still set you back quite a bit as well. This problem is easily avoidable with a little advance planning and a few items you can get cheaply from the hardware store. Drop cloths. One solution is drop cloths, but most drop cloths are ill-fitting rags that often wrinkle as you move around and expose your carpet. Some of these drop cloths are shaped irregularly and don't cover the floor completely. The best thing to do if you're going with the drop cloth option is to carefully measure the floor area of your carpet before getting them. You can make drop cloths also by stitching together old bed sheets. To hold them in place, you can use ordinary packing tape around the edges. Do not use duct tape, as this could damage your carpet when removing it after you're done painting. Painter's tape. Another solution is to use these 2-foot wide rolls of tape. Simply position the tape at the baseboard, covering the point where the wall ends and the carpet begins. Make sure you lay it down with the adhesive side down, or else it could stick to your shoes and make a bigger mess of things. Unroll the tape along the baseboard line, making sure that you cover the carpet below it. Polyethylene sheets. These puncture-resistant, super strong sheets are being made by commercial manufacturers as a way to protect your carpet during renovation or construction. It's easy to apply. Just unroll the sheet along the area you want protected from paint drops. It has a low tack coating on the adhesive side which holds it in place no matter how much the people walking around tread on it. The adhesive is also great for your carpet because it won't leave marks on it or on the walls. Notes: always check if the paint has dried on your drop cloth, painter's tape, or polyethylene sheets before you peel them off. If you remove them before the paint has dried, they could still spill on the carpet, defeating their purpose entirely. Painter's tape dimensions can be customized depending on the area that it will be used on using a miter saw. Protecting your carpet while painting seems like a basic step during renovation, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to do it entirely. A person's house is their home, so every detail about it must be meticulously cared for because it is a reflection of who that person is. A little care exerted over the state of your carpet will make sure that your care for carpet will provide you years of insulation, comfort, and good memories.